Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here to show you a auction stuff I bought. I guess you could call it an auction haul. And the channel I got it from is this name. I'm not going to say it because I'm going to screw it up. I will have her channel linked in the description box below because she is doing silent, like kind of silent auctions and some destashes. So go over and check it out because I got a wonderful deal on all this. I'm about to show you. And I'm so excited. I did show it when I was live because it came in. My mail showed up when I was live, but I wanted to do a separate video so I can direct you guys over to her channel. First thing was this bag of embossing powders. And I don't use embossing powders too often, but they came with what I wanted. So you got this orange color, and they are really full. Another like or iridescent orange. And that one is made by, it's called Jack-O-Lantern. Lindsay Stamp Gang. And I think this is Zig. And then this one is a green by Zig. Very pretty. This is like that pretty blue. I like that. I'm going to start using, because I have a drawer full that was my mom's been sitting there. Zing. Not Zig. Zing. Sorry. That was a purple. Or no. It's like a copper brown. Here's the gold. And she thinks this was glitter. Just glitter, but we will test it out. And then we have like a gray, pewter gray. And then here's the purple. And then a black. And then a red. I love that one. And then like a gold. So that was part in these stash. This is all together. That was that one. Big. And they're mixed up now because I took the rest out in a bag and I left them out. So the next one is ink daubers and sprays. And I think I got this all for $28, I believe. Great deal. Now, I've never had perfect pearls. There's this pink gumball. Cappuccino. I'm just grabbing Angel Glimmer Mist. Some daubers. Another dauber. Another, oops, that's not part of it. Another dauber. So we got them daubers. Another perfect pearl. Forever Blue. And then this brand, Blitz Deep Blue Sea. And then a pink. Sweetheart, it's called. And then she had a few in here that says Handmade Glimmer, Pearl White. So I'll use that. And then here's a pink one, Cotton Candy, by that same company. And I hope you guys are on camera. This is Heidi Swap Color Shine. It's like a gold. Here's another Heidi Swap Black White. Oh, it's on the bottom. Oh yeah, gold. Okay. And then there is this Ranger Pebble, another dauber, and then a Distress Paint Blueprint. And then this one, Hazelnut, and Sunset Orange, another dauber, Peeled Paint, and then a Diana Winkley Turquoise Paint. And then I believe, there's a label on this, but I can't read it, but it's pretty blue. And then, I'll put that right there. There's also these, which are like a paste. And one is blue, red, and like a mustard yellow. And then, here's another dauber, Distress Paint, Perfect Pearl, A Mayan mist. Shake well. It's like a clear glimmer. Just stir it up. I'll shake them up real well. And then there is this one. It's the Mr. Hughes Calico Shine. So I'm thinking it's probably shiny. Another Perfect Pearl. Pink Gumball. 2 more Distressed Paints. Twisted Citron. Hickory Smoke. Here's another one. Tattered Rose. I've never had the Perfect Pearl, so this is cool. Perfect Pearls. I see what if I like them. I'm gonna probably not like them. And this is Distressed Paint, Abandoned Coral. Another Perfect Pearl. She said there was a few that was really low, but she figured I might want the bottles, so she left them in there. So there's just a little bit in there, but I'll add a little water to that. And then mint, full bottle. It's pretty. Just got to shake it up real well. Here's another handmade one. Handmade Glimmer Pure Gold. Shake well. Another Glimmer Mist. Sunflower Sparkle. And then here is Dauber Willow. And then there is another Perfect Pearl. And then a Muse Studios Black Cherry. And also one of these little spray. I like these. I have 2 of these. One has alcohol in it and one has water. And I just think they're perfect. So that is what her little silent auction. She has one going on right now for wooden stamps. And then she has some ephemera destactions going on also. So like I said, I will have the TheBeccajb. Like I said, I'll screw it up. Channel linked in the description box below. And go check her out. And let her know Tina sent me over. Tina's Crafty Life. Not that I'm saving anything, I'm just sending you over there. So she knows where you come from. And her auctions are real simple. You bid. She'll give a day or so. And then she'll come on and just comment if you are the winner. And then tell you to send her an email with your PayPal information. So go over and check it out. All right, guys. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.